Hi friends, for the last few videos we saw the walk around of latest Jupiter ZX disc and new features introduced such as iTouch Silent Start, IntelliGo Automatic Stop and Go, ZX Colors etc. In today's video, we are going to see how these features work in real life. To know how the IntelliGo works on road and how much time it takes to stop and go, do watch complete video. Please note these features are available only in ZX disc version and not in drum version as of now. On switching on IntelliGo, a green A symbol flashes in panel, shows automatic start and stop is enabled. Now let us start the ride by switching on engine with new iTouch Silent Start. iTouch Silent Start provides instant and silent start that also helps to increase battery efficiency. When vehicle is running and speed crosses over 25 km per hour, green A symbol will be glow constant, indicating IntelliGo system is activated. This BS6 CVTi engine manages to accelerate from 0 to 60 kmph in 10.24 seconds. This figure is quite decent when you consider that the fuel-injected model now makes 0.5 HP less than BS4 version, while peak torque remains the same at 8.4 Nm. The throttle response is spot on and going by memory. The Jupiter seems to build speeds more energetically than its primary rival, the Activa 6G. However, this is something we can only confirm when we ride the two back-to-back. One of the Jupiter's biggest USPs were its 12-inch alloy wheels, and these continue to inspire a lot of confidence. The scooter feels quite stable even on riding at 80 km per hour. What also helps with comfort is the soft and spacious seat, and because the ergonomics remain the same, the Jupiter is one of the most comfortable 110cc scooters for taller peoples also. The BS6 Jupiter delivers average mileage of 50 to 55 kmpl, that is one of best-in-class figures in 110cc scooters. This should be now increased up to few kilometers, due to addition of IntelliGo technology that reduces fuel usage and emission whenever we stops the vehicles at traffic signal or block. We will try to do a mileage test soon on vehicle is available for long ride. With a seat height of 765 mm and a curb weight of 109 kg, this scooter also becomes very easy to handle urban roads. The adjustable shock absorbers help smooth ride on rough roads. The refinement levels are commendable, with no noticeable vibrations under 50 kmph. Even after 50 kmph, the vibrations are mostly limited to the footboard. Now let us try latest feature added, the IntelliGo Stop and Go. Let me stop somewhere near, like we stopping at traffic block or signal. While braking it provides good confidence, due to front disc brakes and synchronized braking technology that helps to safe and efficient braking. We are stopping here, and let us check how intelligently scooter stops engine after we braking and speed comes to 0. The IntelliGo system switch off the engine under 5 seconds when we stop the scooter without movement, and again automatically starts when we apply accelerator, along with brake as a safety measure. TVS engineers done good job here, and it will helps to increase fuel efficiency especially in city rides. Finally, even though we miss some features like ABS, fully digital instrument cluster, side stand engine cutoff, the current features available make scooter a value for money product. Let us hope TVS will add more features and color options soon. Thank you for watching and keep in touch for more updates.